So 505 though, basically.
505. 505 1 and 505 2.
But there are no ingredients also, but I am not challenging the FIR here because I did not have a copy, my lord. But had also dealt with my lord.
Let him, let him appear virtually.
My lord, I have some submissions to make, my lord.
That you can make, but virtual, let it continues. File affidavit.
My lord, he is not having any special rights, my lord. I'll argue that to appear virtually. And number one, and if we go by the complaint, my lord, if I may place the complaint, my lord, once my learned senior is done with his submissions, my lord, I can show that there are ingredients of 353.1, 353.2.
That will,
and in that circumstances, my lord, it is essentially a matter of procedure, my lord. He cannot dictate, my lord, the investigating agency that what procedure is to be followed. It is not one of the cases. This was actually before the police station. But one ground is FIR is not uploaded. That is uploaded. Another ground is that many police officers came to my house to deliver this.
I am relying upon my lord an unreported decision,
which my learned senior will give me a copy.
Yes,
Mr. You have got the copy of the FIR now?
But I am having.
The genesis of all this is relating to a particular criminal case.
No, genesis, yeah, no. The genesis is his YouTube video, which is uploaded sometime around 17 July. We have got the complaint.
No.
Where he is discussing in paragraph 6 of the writ petition, he has said he has analyzed the order of Justice Sinha in his YouTube video. Now, my lord, the order luckily is part of the writ petition. It's a 2-page order. And my lord, kindly read that order. My lord, that will be at page 35. And in light of that order, kindly read the complaint, what the complainant has perceived and what the complainant has heard him say. Now, we are not, my lord, as my learned senior has rightly and fairly submitted, he has not challenged the FIR. So, my lord,
because it was not there.
Yes, he has not challenged. So, my lord, we are in a writ petition where FIR is not challenged, only 35(3) is challenged. So, your lordship is basically looking at the procedural part of the investigation, to which my learned friend has no right to challenge. He has no right to the procedure, my lord. My lord has seen the order, my lord.
That is relating to certain birth and death certificate.
Death certificate at a particular Gram Panchayat. Now, the accused in the complaint, now reads paragraph 6. Now read paragraph 6 of the writ petition. Then read the complaint. Then read the complaint.
Around 3,600.
Just 1 second, Mr. Bhattacharya.
Around 3,600 certificates.
May I just answer the lordship's query and thereafter kind.
Very
good. Yes.
Kindly read paragraph 6 of the writ petition. Page 6. Page 6, para 6. Your lordship has taken the order at page 35, Mullah. Yes. Your petitioner further state that the instance 35(3) notice is being given to the petitioner in connection with Gosawa PS so reflects the fact that the instant case has been registered against the petitioner for making a video in YouTube channel on so wherein the petitioner has reflected the direction and observation of the Honorable Justice so passed in video in versus so. So he has reflected his views. That is his case. Now read the complaint. First page, if your lordship has, if you're having the Bengali complaint also, can you take the first page bottom?
Yes.
While having the complaint letter, my lord? Can you take the first page bottom? তন্ময় বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় তার ভিডিওতে যে বক্তব্য পোষণ করেছেন তার সম্পূর্ণ মিথ্যা। So it is falling under এই বাইরে হচ্ছে 25/4/2025 তারিখে, অথচ গোসাবা থানা রুজু হয়েছে অনেক আগে 6/3/2025 তারিখে। উক্ত দাবি করা হয় সার্টিফিকেটের মাধ্যমে যা সুবিধা শাসক দলের তৃণমূল কংগ্রেস পাচ্ছে দায়ী করেন এবং এখন রাজনীতিতে জাতিগত পরিচয়ের ভিত্তিতে এক সংখ্যালঘু গোষ্ঠীকে লক্ষ্য করা হয়, যা জনসাধারণের মধ্যে বিদ্বেষ ও উত্তেজনা ছড়াতে পারে। সবচেয়ে উদ্বেগজনক বিষয় হলো উক্ত ভিডিওতে পুলিশ ভোট জালিয়াতি অংশীদার হিসেবে উল্লেখ করে বলা হয়েছে তাদের সুরক্ষা নিজেরাই করুন, বা কাহিনী মার্কবি তারা নিজের সুরক্ষা নিজেরাই করুন, যা জনসাধারণকে আইন শৃঙ্খলা বাহিনীকে অবিশ্বাস করতে শেখায় এবং কখনো কখনো তা আইন নিজের হাতে তুলে নেওয়ার ইঙ্গিত দেয়। দেন স্কিপস ওভার দ্য নেক্সট প্যারাগ্রাফ, কাইন্ড অফ দ্য ফোর্থ প্যারাগ্রাফ। এই ভিডিওতে শ্রী সোয়ানসো সম্পূর্ণ সচেতনভাবে মিথ্যা ও পরিবেশ করেন, উৎস বা প্রমাণ উপস্থাপনা না করে শুধুমাত্র আলোচনা জোরদার করবার জন্য তিনি এই তথ্য ছড়িয়েছেন।
Have you retrieved the video?
একটা অথরিটি দেওয়া হয়েছে না? Some data regarding the petitioner by
The transcript of the video.
Transcript, entire transcript is not there. I will explain part of the repetition because it is their video. But for me to bring it forward, I'll take some time.
FIR at that point of time, which was available.
No, but
now,
having the repetition subject matter and kindly see not ground.
Mr. Bandyopadhyay, until and unless I see the transcript clearly, it would not be possible for me to appreciate whether this has been said or not said. This is up.
That is on the FIR, my lord.
This is on the FIR.
But they are not challenging the FIR. They are saying the procedure of
So we have
is wrong.
We have got to see the totality of the
But
circumstances.
kindly see the ground of challenge. But kindly see paragraph 11. Malad, kindly see where the shoe has pinched. The shoe has pinched, Malad, because they say that it was hostile and intimidating manner. That is the ground.
That is a part of your case you investigate. Right now, I am not commenting. But the fact remains there was an investigation regarding to this order.
Earlier matter.
This
Earlier matter,
Justice Sinha's order
Yes.
is absolutely incorrect or correct. I mean, this information which was furnished. I'm not saying
Information is from my report.
that so far as the birth and death certificates which are
It is correct.
correct.
It is correct.
Correct. So this up to this, it is all right that some certain issues were there.
Now, Malad,
While discussing the issues in respect of the order, he has transgressed his limits.
no, he
That is
said that the
basically.
petitioner have reflected the direction and observation. Malad, if the reflection and direction, I ask this question to myself, whether reflection and direction can contain a discussion of Rohingyas, which is not there in the order of the coordinate bench.
Rohingyas are citizens of India.
Number one. Number two,
Or-
whether the direction contained any aspersions on the police force or the DIG of West Bengal.
Alright, you want to, after the transcript you want to interrogate or before the transcript you tell me? Then I've got to pass some orders, sir. Because these are cases which will be increasing with the forthcoming year. I understand.
Malad, in my humble submission, the transcript.
Carry on the investigation, sir. Let him appear virtually, produce a transcript. Thereafter, I will take a decision because the full this is on the information. See, there is a
From the order is a 2-page order, Malad.
order is regarding some birth and death certificates, the genuinity of the same.
Yes.
I'm not traveling beyond that also.
Malad said that the FIR has been registered at the
I have personally
directions of the
I have personally gone through my live
সেই
streaming.
কেসে এমনি কোর্টে গেলে বেল পেয়ে যাবে, পুলিশ যাবে না।
might be.
I have personally gone through the streaming alert. This
If you
date,
propose your police authority to the court and obtain bail, you will not be able to get hold of the person anymore.
Malad, my submission is Malad. What I'm trying to submit is that Malad, the transcript is required if the petitioner had challenged the FIR.
no,
But
I
here we are on the basis of a complaint.
am praying for
The
need to
thing
file
is
a
that-
supplementary affidavit.
By supplementary evidence, you can modify the players.
No, this
I am
date-
not asking for, I will not enter into the zone. will just assess regarding the correctness of the accusation, whether the person who has delivered something in the YouTube channel, his YouTube channel, transgress the limits or not, because this is a statement made by a person. This is a statement, I will say a statement made by a person. The complaint.
Yes, this has to be read in the light of his statement in the paragraph 6.
But I have the
Where-
video,
where
I can hand it over.
That he has reflected the directions and observations. But these paragraphs reflect what he has said in the video, according to the complainant. And he says that he has only discussed the order. Well, I asked this question to myself that
So
these
discussion of the order, Mr. Bandyopadhyay, discussion of the order and the excess part where you have pointed out makes out an offense is a part of the YouTube.
and part of the investigation.
Actually, that is why you are investigating.
Right.
Otherwise, you should not.
So, when he is challenging not the FIR but only the 35(3), he is basically challenging a procedural step. That procedural step, has to be tested at the anvil of the two grounds he has made out. One ground was the FIR was not uploaded, which has been uploaded on 21st July. The other ground is paragraph 11. Kindly see paragraph 11. He says why so many police officers came to deliver the notice. That is his ground. But that cannot be a ground. But on that ground, 45(3) or 41A has been set aside in this country, if I have read it properly.
Kindly takes para 14 thereafter, Manoj.
No, you file a supplementary
I'll file a
affidavit.
supplementary, Manoj.
Manoj,
I am seeking formal leave, Manoj,